1. Oh!
Hey guys, Typical Tyler here, and today we are destroying stuff with
Sledgehammers. Yep, and we've got a wide variety of things which we're gonna show you. First we got some oranges, then bananas, then a bouncy ball, then this Boba Fett bobblehead, 2 cans of soda, 2 speakers, and for the finale, a giant printer.
Look how the comparison. That's my hand.
Yeah, it's pretty big. We're gonna be destroying this thing with some sledgehammer action. It's gonna be really cool, and we're gonna do those, and then whoever can destroy the speaker, their speaker better, gets to hit this one first.
Yeah,
so that's gonna be fun. Let's go.
Let's go. All right, so Caleb's going first. He got the big sledgehammer. We're destroying an orange. Let's go.
Well, we're gonna need to put goggles on for the speakers.
Yeah, we'll do that. We'll put those on. All right, 3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, dang it!
Missed.
Oh!
Did you see that?
Oh!
Dude, you can see it in the videos. Juice went right on my face. It just went. That was epic. 1.
Oh,
I
so
missed.
close. Just go again.
3, 2, 1.
Oh! 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 I got a chunk in my eye.
Oh. Oh my gosh.
Look at that. Look, that was in my eye. Dude, you split it in half.
I know.
Look at this. He just split it. Oh, that was sick.
All right. Here we go. And you missed.
Oh!
Dude!
It went.
Guys, if I didn't have glasses on, that would have gone in my eye.
I got it in my mouth.
Look at that!
I got rotten banana in my mouth.
2, 1.
Oh.
Oh!
Mine was more awesome, but you know.
Yes, but mine still got
You
destroyed.
took the top off.
Yeah. Woo! Now time for Caleb to destroy the bouncy ball.
Yep. 3, 2.
You missed.
Whoa! Whoa!
Oh my gosh! That went across. That hit the neighbor's roof.
Boba Fett.
Or whatever you Star Wars fans call it. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, you missed!
Oh my gosh! This is scaring me. I'm so scared. 3,
You got glasses
2,
on, that's all we need.
1.
Whoa! Holy crap! Alright, time for some Coke. 2. Oh! Oh, it got all over the camera! The camera! Oh no!
What? It didn't. Oh yeah, it
I
did.
just got in this part a little bit.
Dude! That was awesome! 3,
Like, boom.
2,
Like, right.
1.
Oh!
Dude!
Dude,
It
this
went
is
all over
so awesome!
This is so fun.
This thing is like destroyed. Alright, this is my last one until the printer.
Alright. Goggles on. Yeah, lay it flat.
So because that one's angled. 3, 2, 1. Oh!
Dude, you okay?
I'm okay.
Oh! Dude! Oh! Where is it? It's not here! Oh! Oh my gosh!
so cool. That's so.
3. Yep. Boom. 3, 2, 1. Ooh. Ooh. Dude.
You broke a hole in it.
Yeah. Where did the insides go?
Alright, since I destroyed mine more,
Oh.
I get to hit the printer first. And this is gonna be the awesomest thing ever. This is gonna be so awesome!
It's gonna be so awesome. Let's go. And go.
3, 2, 1. Oh!
What?
It's a hole! If you can see that.
All right, I get to hit it now. Yes, yes, yes. This is gonna be so awesome. I'm gonna hit it. I'm gonna hit it. Dude, it's so unfair. Printer gets destroyed. In 3, 2, 1.
Whoa! Dude!
There's glass in there. Here, can I see that?
Oh, what is this? It's all foamy. Oh, I think this is like ink. No, it's not.
No. Dude, I just opened it. I hit it, and
It's
it
a
went
piece
through
of
there,
paper.
and it just went boom.
Dude, I
Whoa.
found
Paper.
Ow! Oh, shoot.
What?
Come on. Getting gloves.
Yeah, yeah.
Alright, so,
It's getting dark fast.
yeah,
so
it's
we gotta
getting dark
hurry.
really fast, but, I just got glass in my finger, and it was bleeding and stuff really bad, and it still hurt, so we had to get gloves on because all of the glass came up, and when I picked one up, I got glass stuck in my finger. So, yeah, that didn't go as planned.
Whoa! Woo! All right. What happened?
Dude, broke down to the glass.
2, 1. Oh!
Whoa, dude, I saw something fly out over here.
Yeah.
What?
I forgot to put. Oh my gosh.
You didn't put your goggles on?
No, I didn't hit it in the face. Watch out, watch out, son. It's a ball. Oh!
Oh, ready? Ready? Ready, dude? Watch out! Oh!
Oh! Can you still see it? Oh! Dude, this went all the way over here. This went flying all the way at me. Dude, can the camera even see it? Run. Ah!
Okay.
Ah!
Okay. Let's go, Tyler. That's it.
Okay. Woo!
Whoa.
Dude!
Oh.
That was so cool!
Oh.
What?
We're just gonna have to clean this up.
Oh, I'll help you.
Because the glass.
Oh, yeah.
We could make an awesome series of where we destroy awesome stuff.
Yeah.
So definitely leave in the comments below if you would like that, and like this video.
Hope you liked the video, guys. Be sure to leave in the comments what you want us to do for our next videos. These got broken so much. Yeah, we'll see you next time, guys. Bye.
Orange juice!